ikaw ay capable of so much more. Okay? So, lagi mong tatandaan na minsan, kailangan mo lang mag-focus sa isang bagay para ma-acquire mo siya. Okay? So, minsan, wala ka lang pakialam, kaya minsan hindi mo siya alam na kaya mo. So, ilagay mo attention mo dun sa isang bagay kung gusto mong may ma-acquire na skill, na isang knowledge, language, other hobbies. You just have to put your focus on it, to it, so that you can improve. Okay? So, you are capable of so much more. So, wag mong kalimutan yan. So, help someone and ensure na you do your best to improve, to serve others.